Some interesting facts about our planet is that it was discovered on October 5th, 2005, when astronomers observed the planet transiting across the face of a star. It is about 62.9 light years away, is classified as a gas giant. It is also known as V452 Vulpiculae AB and is nicknamed Hot Jupiter. This is because of the general makeup of the planet and its similar size, and also due to the fact that it's only 2.8 million miles away from its star, while Earth is about 93 million. It has winds that blow up to 5,400 miles per hour at 7 times the speed of sound. The cobalt blue color does not come from the reflection of a tropical ocean, as on Earth, but rather from an atmosphere containing high clouds laced with ciliate particles. Contrary to Earth, V452 Vulpiculae is the only planet in its system.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya? He gon' find another girl.
We calculated the surface gravitational acceleration of our planet to be 22.7754 meters per second squared. V452 Vulpiculae AB's surface gravitational acceleration is more than twice of Earth's. A 100 kilogram rock on this planet would weigh about 980 newtons, while on our planet it would weigh about 2,277 newtons. In a hypothetical situation where a satellite is orbiting 400,000 meters above the surface of V452 Vulpiculae AB, the speed at which it would need to travel is 42,500 meters per second. While on Earth, the same satellite orbiting 400,000 meters above the surface would only need to travel at about 7,700 meters per second. This makes the orbital speed of the satellite around V452 Vulpiculae AB much faster, almost 6 times as fast as the satellite would have traveled around Earth.
In the previous scenario, that same satellite orbiting 400,000 meters above the surface of V452 Vulpiculae AB would take 11,832 seconds to make one full revolution. In one Earth day, this satellite orbiting our exoplanet would have completed 7.3 revolutions. On the other hand, a satellite orbiting 400,000 meters away from the Earth would take about 90 minutes. The orbit of a satellite would take 2.2 times longer on our exoplanet than Earth. The distance between the star and V452 Vulpiculae AB is about 2.87 million miles, while the Earth is about 93 million miles away from the Sun, hence the name Hot Jupiter. Needless to say, life cannot be supported on our exoplanet as it is extremely close to the star.
According to our calculations,
V452 Vulpiculae travels around its star at 337,000 miles per hour, Earth, which travels at 67,108 miles per hour.
Hot Jupiter.